Hello everyone, it's Recharger here and welcome to a 1/18 scale video. And in today's video we have another ERTL Collectibles. This is like Elite Edition, I don't know, American Muscle. This is the 1969 Dodge Super Bee, as you can see. And the plastic has a bit yellowed up, I think, by the years it's been in there, or maybe it was like that, I have no idea. There's some information back here. You can pause and read that if you want to. We have multiple opening parts on this guy, except the back. There's some kind of a paint bubble on top. It's been like, it's not even a singular one, there's like multiples up there, but it's been like that since I got it, so there's nothing I can really do about it, sadly. But there you go. Let's get it opened. This is from my personal collection. I got this, I can't tell you how many years ago. It's been a while. Since there's no release date on these. Oh, there is. There's a 2006 right there. But I know I got it before 2006. And the exact date I don't know. I know I got it in Norway. There was in Norway in the city called Hamar. I was there, living right next to that city. Oh, sort of next. You can say next to it. I worked next to it more than lived next to it. That was the main city of I forgot what's it called, that region, but it's like with a train, it's in a 1 hour drive. Yeah, that's bubble is pretty. It's not even a bubble, it's like a bump there, so it's all uneven and stuff like that. I don't know. That's how it came. I got it for, actually I don't remember how much I got it for, but it's been sitting in my collection for at least, I don't want to say, it's a bit dusty, that's why I'm cleaning it up. Not fully sure how long has it been. Around, within like 10 years. I think within 10 years would be the amount that's been in my possession, at least. So yeah, let's get it off the up base. So we need 2 screws. For this one you can use the plus or the minus. This one's pretty versatile. This base is like super thick. And there goes the base. So we can put it, so, oops, I dropped the screw. Okay, that's that. Let's get the screwdriver out of the way. Okay, nothing fell off, everything's fine. So yeah, I got it in Hamar, in Norway, and there was like this local car show in a sports stadium, and I went there. Of course, it was amazing. Got some very cool pictures. Saw the car from their sort of Fast and Furious style movie called Burning or Bjorning or something like that. And the main character's car was, I think, was a yellow Mustang. If I'm not mistaken, it was a yellow Mustang. I know it was yellow, but was it a Mustang? I think it was a Mustang. But enough of that. Back to this model. So, like I said, it is dusty. I'm sorry about that, but they have been sitting in the boxes aside. Here's your crazy cool looking details on the bottom. Yeah, very nice steering and everything. Wheels do turn. There's no suspension to the front or the back. You got your drive shaft, which is also a separate piece. Exhausts. and everything. So like I said, there's no opening parts for the back, so the trunk does not open, sadly. Doors do open, both of them. Got some interior. Let's see if I can light it up. So yes, the dust is very visible. It's very simple. So the chairs are all just one big piece. The base, I mean the flooring inside is all just hard plastic. See some gears and stuff like that. Steering wheel. Now the hood part is the more interesting one. It is plastic. It is removable. It's plastic. It's just that I don't remember how to remove it, since I don't want to break it. I know it had like clips on the sides, if I'm not mistaken. I need to find something to open it without breaking it. So let's see if I can use this tool. So remember it being not that difficult, it's just that it's easy to break. Oh wait, no, there we go. So start from the front, don't never start from the back, just in case. So you can have these little pieces holding it in, so it goes in and snaps down. So there's your engine details. Not too crazy, not too much. I do like the front end, looks very nice. Let's put this back. So start with the back. Get it in there and snap and snap. There you go. It has these like fake pins in the front. I have one model that has the pins, but I already filmed it a long time ago, and I do not feel like refilming that one because I lost one of the pins while filming. So yeah, we got very nice rims, like I said, steering, and nothing much. It's a very nice model. Does also roll. It's a bit rough because it's been sitting in the box for a while, so the back is pretty stiffened up, as you can see. They do turn, it's just it's very stiffened up, at least on one wheel. But that would be that. There's nothing more I can show or tell here. So I hope you liked the video. Leave a like if you did, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.